Wiair safeguard your commodity and goodwill. Today, introduce to you Wiair new products, CS325. This is cardboard shredder that can recycle the wastage of your warehouse and saving the spaces, and also recycle the cardboard and give the cardboard second life. And this second life can turn regular cardboard into shredding cardboard, become a protection material that can reuse it and save energy, recycle it, save your time and save your cost. Wiair cardboard shredder CS325 has a dimension with 18 inches long, 12 inches wide, 11 inches high, and weight is about 72 pounds. Even if it's very heavy, however, this is a compact design with a durable gear and a cutting blade system. One extreme of function can allow you to put any size of the cardboard as you can use it. Okay, now do the demonstration how to use this cardboard shredder. It's a conventional packing box. Normally, you cannot use it here. With this function, we can reduce it to turn it packing material. Get the mesh of the packing material. Take in another sample. Then you can name our port, turn on the main switch. Make sure the emergency stop switch has been activated. Now the machine is ready to work. And this direction is moving forward. Here is post, stop, and here is reverse. Okay, very simple and rigid to use. Thank you for your watching. Subscribe here today.